Welcome back, cyber enthusiasts. You're tuning in to the fourth lesson of our Cybersecurity Series. If you're new here, don't forget to check out the previous episodes. We've covered everything from the basics to advanced strategies. Today, we're diving into the world of computer viruses, their types, and how you can protect yourself. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let's get started. So, what is a computer virus? In simple terms, it's a sneaky program that can copy itself and infect your computer without you even knowing. Back in the day, before the internet ruled our lives, these viruses used to spread through things like floppy disks. Now, let's talk about the basic types of computer viruses. Trojan horses / malware / spyware / backdoors. These are like digital spies, disguising themselves as interesting files but allowing intruders to access and read your files once installed. Worms, they spread through computer networks, multiplying themselves and exploiting security flaws. Email viruses, using innocent-looking emails to automatically forward themselves to thousands of unsuspecting users. Types of viruses. Now, let's delve into specific types. Boot sector virus. Infects the boot or MBR of diskettes and hard drives through the sharing of infected disks and pirated software applications. Once your hard drive is infected, all diskettes that you use in your computer will be infected. Program virus. Becomes active when the program file, usually with extensions .bin, .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, carrying the virus is opened. It then makes copies of itself and will infect other programs on the computer. Multipartite virus. Hybrid of a boot sector and program viruses. It infects program files, and when the infected program is active, it will affect the boot record. Stealth virus. Disguises itself to prevent from being detected by antivirus software. It alters its file size or conceals itself in memory. Polymorphic virus. Act like a chameleon, changing its virus signature, binary pattern, every time it multiples and infects a new file. Macro virus. Programmed as a macro embedded in a document, usually found in Microsoft Word and Excel. Once it gets into your computer, every document you produce will become infected. Relatively new type of virus and may slip by your antivirus software if you don't have the most recent version installed. Encrypted viruses. This type of viruses consists of encrypted malicious code, decrypted module. The viruses use encrypted code technique which make antivirus software hardly to detect them. Network virus. Network viruses rapidly spread through a local network area, LAN, and sometimes throughout the internet. Generally, network viruses multiply through shared resources, i.e. shared drives and folders. Prey. When the virus finishes infecting the computer, it moves on to the next and the cycle repeats itself. Logic bombs. They are not considered viruses because they do not replicate. Their objective is to destroy data on the computer once certain conditions have been met. SQL injection. SQL injection is one of the many web attack mechanisms used by hackers to steal data from organizations. It is the type of attack that takes advantage of improper coding of your web applications that allows hacker to inject SQL commands into, say, a login form to allow them to gain access to the data held within your database. Cyber threats beyond viruses. Now, let's touch on other cyber threats. Zombie/bot. A zombie computer virus is a computer that's been infected by a computer virus or compromised by a hacker. It can be controlled under remote direction to perform criminal tasks, as well as infect other computers with viruses. A zombie computer can appear to be performing normally, making it hard for you to know that your computer has been compromised. Denial of service, DOS, or distributed denial of service, DDoS. DOS attacks may simply fill or flood a network with useless data traffic, rendering systems incapable of acting on bona fide requests. Ransomware. Ransomware viruses can be deployed to the victim computers. Once they have infiltrated system, their malware engines start to process sensitive user files according to a built-in list of file type extensions. The users are then blackmailed to pay a ransom fee to the hackers using a cryptocurrency. Business email compromise, BC. Business email compromise, BC, as an emerging financial threat. It involves fraud and deception. Criminals scam employees by learning information about individuals and company operations. Then they use the CEO's email to send a message to an employee who deals with money. This email asks the employee to send money to a bank account owned by the criminals. IoT vulnerabilities and cloud threats. As our devices become more interconnected, vulnerabilities increase. Hackers can exploit discrepancies in security levels, gaining access to systems. Cloud services are also a new target for cybercriminals extracting confidential data due to lapses in password management. How do you know if your computer is infected? Look out for these signs. Functions slower than normal. Responds slowly and freezes often. Restarts itself frequently. Uncommon error messages, distorted menus, and dialog boxes. Applications fail to work correctly. Printing issues. Now let's talk prevention. Here are some strategies to keep those viruses at bay. Use reputable antivirus software and keep it updated. Exercise caution with emails and attachments. Ensure proper installation of antivirus software. Regularly update your operating system. Utilize browser privacy settings and pop-up blockers. Enable user account control. Install real-time anti-spyware protection. Perform daily scans for potential threats. Disable auto-run functionality. Implement a hardware-based firewall. Download files only from trusted sites. Conduct virus scans on peripheral devices. Employ strong and unique passwords. Close unnecessary ports to thwart port scanning. Regularly back up your system. Develop personal security policies and stay informed about online safety. In conclusion, understanding the diverse landscape of computer threats is essential for our digital well-being. By implementing robust cybersecurity measures, staying vigilant, and educating ourselves, we can navigate the cyber realm safely. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech insights. I'll now open the floor to any questions you may have. Stay secure, and until next time.